Today's topic is integration of some more types. Integration of some more types. Disha, good morning. So, in this topic,
Good morning, sir.
what you will learn in this topic. See, as such, this is not the part of your course. This topic is deducted if we will talk about the integration. But this topic is used in differential equations, so that is the reason we have to do, because these formulas have to be used in the differential equation. If these formulas have to be used in differential equation, we have to study the application of this. There are three results. The first result is if the integration comes x square minus a square under root is to dx. अगर इस तरह का आपके पास केस आ जाए तो उस केस के अंदर द रिजल्ट इज x by 2 under root x square minus a square minus a square upon 2 log x plus x square minus a square under root plus c. This is the answer if the integration is of this type. We will try to study the formulas application of this also. The second result, if in place of minus there is plus, x square plus a square under root is to dx. The direct result again x by 2 under root x square plus a square plus a square upon 2 log x plus x square plus a square under root plus c. Third result, integral of a square minus x square dx. This is equal to x by 2 a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. So these three results are very important as a part of integration, and these will be used in differential equations. Abhishek Saini, are you getting me? But you have not appeared in the unit test of maths. You know that these tests have the weightage.
No, sir, I have uploaded on email.
Hello?
Hello.
You have
Good morning,
appeared in the
sir.
test of maths, beta.
Sir, I have uploaded on the mail.
Anji?
Sir, I have uploaded on mail. Sir, I have uploaded on mail.
तो बेटा आए तो उसमें क्या क्या हो सकता है आप बताइए, आपका टेस्ट तो आया नहीं तो आपकी जीरो वेटेज लगी।
सर मैंने आपको पिछली बार ही सर की भी मेल भेजी थी, मेल पे डीएमएस एरर आ जाता है हर बार।
बेटा then you have to approach to school, you have to approach to Dilpreet and you have to see the things.
Sir, should I submit it to school only?
Because if you will not appear in the unit in the tests, what you will get? You will get zero.
सर मैंने कल स्कूल आना, मैं आपको कल या परसों आना, मैं आपको पूरा पेपर वहीं पर सबमिट कर देता हूँ स्कूल में।
एग्जाम्पल
टेस्ट है सारे पहले भी दिया,
जो भी अगर आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम आ रही है पोर्टल में आ रही है, व्हाटएवर द प्रॉब्लम यू आर गेटिंग, जस्ट कम टू स्कूल एंड डिस्कस। schools have opened now.
सर मैंने एक्चुअल में सर मैथ्स का टेस्ट पोर्टल पे अपलोड की ऑप्शन थी ही नहीं मैथ्स के टेस्ट की,
तो मैंने तो पोर्टल पे अपलोड
आपने सर ने मेल भी
I told you people to send it to my official email. It was given in the WhatsApp also. Who told you to upload?
सर टेस्ट मैंने मेरे पास है, मैंने
number
two, टेस्ट
I have not posted the test on the portal, I have posted the test on the WhatsApp.
सर व्हाट्सएप पे आपने भेजा था, मेरे को पता है, मैंने टेस्ट सॉल्व भी किया, मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेज।
But I didn't get your voice, please. Concentrate on the content.
हेलो सर आई एम सेइंग दैट मैं आपको व्हाट्सएप पे भेज देता हूँ, अगर
बेटा अब नहीं,
आपने
अब तो टेस्ट
व्हाट्सएप
हो
पे
चुका।
भेजा था, मैंने टेस्ट सॉल्व किया हुआ है।
बेटा अब तो टेस्ट हो चुका ना, अब 4 दिन बाद अगर मैं आपका टेस्ट लूंगा तो जो बच्चे 3 और एब्सेंट थे वो कहेंगे हमारा भी ले लो। चलिए
तो
80
फिर आप
क्वेश्चन।
मेरा अकेले का टेस्ट रख लो, मैं
एक्स स्क्वायर
अपना दे
प्लस
देता हूँ,
टू
मेरे को
एक्स
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है।
प्लस 5 अंडर रूट इज टू dx, and the schools are opened now, come to school. So x square plus 2x plus 5 we have to solve it. The first thing is we have to complete the square. We will convert this into these three formulas. अब जरा साइड पे देखिए, x square plus 2x plus 5. When I will complete the square, this will be a square plus 2a. What should be b? It should be 1. 1 square minus 1 square plus 5. So this is x plus 1 whole square minus 1 plus 5, x plus 1 whole square plus 4, x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. Now put x plus 1 is equal to t, dx is equal to dt. So my question becomes now t square plus 2 square under root is to dt. Now, clear cut, the formula x square plus a square will apply here. So, which implies t by 2 under root of t square plus 2 square plus a square over 2 log t plus t square plus a square under root plus c, which implies x plus 1 upon 2 x plus 1 square plus 4 plus a square upon 2 log x plus 1 plus which implies x plus 1 by 2 under root x square plus 2x plus 5 plus a square over 2 log x plus 1 plus x square plus 2x plus 5 under root plus. This is the answer. In the same way, बेटा इसमें डाउट थी? तो सिंपल, हमने इसमें कुछ नहीं करना, ये जो 3 फॉर्मूले हैं इस क्वेश्चन को उस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है। वंस द क्वेश्चन विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू दैट फॉर्म, अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला। इसमें सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न क्या है कि आपको वो फॉर्मूला याद होना चाहिए। वंस द फॉर्मूला इज नोन टू यू, देन द क्वेश्चन इज वेरी सिंपल एंड दीज फॉर्मूलाज विल बी यूज्ड डायरेक्टली इन केस ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस। ये सीधे तौर पर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में यूज होंगे। कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। I hope you people have noted. And we have to do the maths activities also, because those are of 10 marks. That will be the part of the practical. So within day or two, please present in the class so that I can discuss the activities with you. Abhishek Shani, especially for you. Otherwise it will not be redo again, and there will be a practical of maths, annual practical, which will happen before your annual papers. और उसमें ऑब्जर्वर भी होगा, उसमें बाहर से लोग भी आएंगे उसको आपको एवेल्युएट करने के लिए. चलिए, कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एग्जाम्पल 24. इंटीग्रल ऑफ 3 minus 2x minus x square is to dx. Again, let's do the completing square on one side. I'm going to take negative outside. This is x square plus 2x minus 3. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square minus 3. X plus 1 whole square minus 1 minus 3. So this is this is the case of a square minus x square under root. This is the case of this. But before that, put x plus 1 is equal to t. Dx is equal to dt. So this will become 2 square minus t square under root, which is equal to this is a square minus x square. This is x by 2, or you can write t by 2. 2 square minus t square. I'm just writing the formula. This is t plus a square upon 2 sine inverse t upon a plus c. Now I'm going to substitute the values. The value of t, this is x plus 1 upon 2, 4 minus x plus 1 whole square plus the value of a is 2. So 4 over 2 sine inverse, the value of t is x plus a and the value of a is 2 plus c. So which is x plus 1 upon 2 under root this is the answer. So in the same way, all the questions of the exercise you have to do. Note it down. Then we'll move to the next. From tomorrow, I'm going to start with the linear programming. Clear? That chapter is from this term. And before doing the chapter of linear programming, just go through the chapter of linear inequalities of class 11. Because linear programming is just the extension of that, and you must have the graph copies with you for more understanding. Exercise 7.7, we will solve 3 questions from this exercise. Come to question number 8. So this is a square plus 2ab plus b square minus b square. So first I have completed the square. So this becomes minus 3 by 2 whole square. So this will be put dx is equal to dt. So again, this is x square minus a square, the formula which you have to apply. Here, the value of t is x plus 3 by 2 and the value of a is 3 by 2. So the formula is x by 2, x square minus a square under root minus a square upon 2 log x plus x square minus a square under root plus c. Now I'm going to substitute the values. In place of x, because this equation is in t, I'm going to write t by 2, e square minus a is 3 by 2 whole square, minus a is 3 by 2 whole square is 2 1 by 2 log t plus p square minus 3 by 2 whole square plus c, which implies, now substitute the value of t, x plus 3 by 2 over 2, this is x plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 8 log x plus 3 by 2 square minus so which implies 2x plus 3 upon 4 under root x square plus 3x minus 9 by 8 log x plus 3 by 2 plus x square plus 3x under root, because this question is x square plus 3x under root. So this is the required answer, plus c. Someone please try 2 3. हाँ ये 9 by 4 is to 2. अच्छा ये देखिए यहाँ पे ये 3 का होल स्क्वायर मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 का होल स्क्वायर, 3 का होल स्क्वायर 9, 2 का होल स्क्वायर 4, तो ये मेरे पास आ गया 9 over 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 by 2, दिस इज मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 by 2 लॉग ये आगे एज इट इज ये आ गया, ये लॉग आएगा। क्लियर? इससे ना, ये तो मेरा रफ काम था ना, इससे मत कंफ्यूज हो। ये देखिए आई हैव सब्स्टिट्यूटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ टी हियर, ये देखिए ये टी की वैल्यू मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दी x प्लस 3 ये डिवाइडेड बाय 2, ये डिवाइडेड बाय 2 हो गया, टी स्क्वायर मीन x प्लस 3 बाय 2 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस 3 बाय 2 होल स्क्वायर, ये देखिए 3 बाय 2 होल स्क्वायर, उसके बाद 3 बाय 2 का होल स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 9 बाय 4, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1/2 लॉग, ये टी की वैल्यू डाल दी, एक्स प्लस 3/2, फिर टी स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस 3/2 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 3/2 होल स्क्वायर। तो यहाँ 2 एलसीएम आ गया, 2x प्लस 3/4 यहाँ आ गया, x प्लस 3/2 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 3/2 होल स्क्वायर। तो इस कहाँ से आया था, यहाँ से आया था, तो उसको मैंने इससे रिप्लेस कर दिया, माइनस 4:2 8 9/8 लॉग x प्लस 3/2 ये आ गया, ये आ गया। So next question I'm going to write it on the screen. Solve it at your own. Hurry up and apprise me. Harman Fatafat. Question is integral of 1 plus 3x minus x square under root. Hurry up. One plus 3x minus x square under root. Quickly. You have 5-6 minutes with you. Formulas are with you. Just complete the square of this first. हाँ जी, हो गया जी? Yes, students who are online, Disha has left. Very good. हो रहा बेटा? पूरा on your notebooks and switch on the cameras. I don't know why you people are not switching on the cameras. Neither you are present in a class nor you are switching on the cameras. Take negative outside, x square minus 3x minus 1. Negative outside, a square minus 2ab plus minus 9/4 minus 1. This is x minus 3/2 whole square minus 13/4, which is under root 13/2 square minus x minus 3/2 whole square. So this is my question now, integration of minus dx. Now apply the relation a square minus x square is to dx. x/2 a square minus x square under root plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. Now substitute the value of x. This is x minus 3/2 upon 2 under root 13 over 2 whole square minus plus a under root 13/2 whole square is to 1/2 sine inverse x minus 3/2 upon so 2x minus 3 upon 4 so solve it. This is your final answer. So see you tomorrow with the introduction of the new chapter, that is linear programming. This is the part of this term. So be very, very particular. This is the answer. That's all for today. Please note it down. Thank you. Sangeet sir.